In response to a recent comment that I got here on my channel, is myEcon the side hustle that you want to start? And more importantly, is there a secret sauce to starting what is known as the myEcon side hustle? We're going to dive into that and a whole lot more here in this video. So if you're checking this out, what's up, my friends? DK here, and you're new or just checking out myEcon or looking for ways to make more money from home right now in 2025, please do me a favor. Make sure you go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content. Or if I go live here on the channel, which I do 3 times a week, you will be the first to know. So let me share my screen. Let's dive into myEcon's secret sauce and what it really is and why you would want to be starting a side hustle with myEcon right now and how that could benefit you as soon as today. Let's dive into it. The very first thing that I want to highlight here is one of myEcon's core products. So straight up, if you are working a job, and this is where myEcon really excels, you have a way to use myEcon's products and services and put more money, more cash flow in your bank account starting today. There's no grace period here. You don't have to wait 30 days or 60 days or 90 days or whatever it is to use this. You could literally use this starting today. So whatever level that you join at, and myEcon has 3 different levels. So when you click the link in the description down below, you'll be taken to my page. You'll see the join page. It'll look just like this. And you might see some countdown timers, some different levels available and whatever. But you'll see all the different options that you could join at. You'll even learn more about how I can give you guaranteed sales in myEcon. So again, hit the link in the description down below. Go check it out. But no matter what level that you get started at, you have access to this right here. You have access to the method, the way that you can increase your cash flow, increase your take-home pay without recruiting a single person, without putting in any effort to go market the side hustle, the business, to go market myEcon. You don't have to promote anything, and you could increase your income. Now, our members are seeing on an average up to $600 per month. As a matter of fact, let me show you. I'm going to take you over to my Facebook group. This is my team's Facebook group. We have over 6,000 members in there. I'm going to show you a post that I recently did where our new members that were using this exact same product right here, okay, they were using this and they were increasing their take-home pay without even promoting the business. So let's go take a look. So you can see right here, I talked about how to increase your income, and I walk people through in our Facebook group exactly what to do and how to do it, you know, step 1, step 2, etc. And then I told them to go put their comments down here, and I said, hey, let me know, okay, what you guys are seeing for results. So I'm going to open up, I'm going to hit all comments here, and you're just going to see some of the ones that we got in here. So $570 a month in additional income, $700 a month in additional income, $400 a month in additional income, $510, $780 in additional income, plus she's using some of our other products and services, $420 a month in additional income, $150 a week or $600 a month in additional income, over $400 a month in additional income here for Jason. So just more and more and more members. Okay, again, that's a fairly recent post, so we'll see more and more comments come in as people start utilizing this correcting W-4 or income shifting. This is one of the only side hustles that I am aware of that you could increase your cash flow from day one without even promoting the business. So I just want you to let that sink in. Now, every side hustle that exists on the planet, okay, it doesn't matter what company it is. It doesn't matter what the gig is. It doesn't matter if you're selling ebooks, if you're selling courses, if you're selling business opportunities like myEcon. I have a phenomenal compensation plan. But I want you to realize this, okay? All of the activities with any online business is the same. So no matter what side hustle it is that you are promoting, no matter what business, what company, what digital marketing opportunity it is that you are promoting, the activity is the same. You create content around your business opportunity, and that content could be messaging someone, it could be a post, it could be a short form video, it could be a YouTube video like this one. You have to drive traffic, eyeballs, people to your affiliate link. End of story. That is making money online, period. So no matter what it is that you do, there's no magical mystery way that you simply sign up and the money just starts rolling in because you have an affiliate link. People don't just automatically go to your link. You have to get people to go to your link. So this is one of the only side hustles that I know of that exists on the planet where you can start today. You could use one of their products and services and increase your cash flow without recruiting a single person. So please let that sink in. So if you're watching this video and thinking, well, I don't know if I want to go promoting the business. I don't know if I want to, go do the income producing activities that yield leads and sales. Okay. No matter what it is that you go do, whether it's going to sell the legacy $900 course thing, whether it's going to do a multiple income thing, whether it's going to do a save thing, whether it's going to do whatever, the activities are the same. You have to get people to see and go to your affiliate link. Now, here with myEcon, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that myEcon's perfect. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that they're the best. They are incredibly good at what they do. They have an incredible compensation plan. I've been with them since 2018. That may say something, that should say something for longevity and being with a company, being with an opportunity for that long. This is not one of those here today, gone tomorrow opportunities, and we've seen them come and go. This is something that has real, actual products and services that help real, actual people increase their cash flow and save money. End of story. And if you want to be part of something that can help you increase your cash flow without even recruiting or sponsoring or sharing an affiliate link, you've found it. So I hope this makes sense. So the secret sauce behind myEcon is this one core product: income shifting. Shift your income, put more money back in your pocket today. And you could do this right now without even promoting. And if you decide, hey, I want to make more money, I want to create residual income, I want to maybe build a team and have hundreds or even thousands of people down below you and earning those passive residual incomes, 5 figures a month, like myself and many others on our team. If you want to do that, we're going to give you the step-by-step, play-by-play. You just have to follow our blueprint. As a matter of fact, I'll even show you what that is at the end of this video. I'll leave a little end card right here in this video. You can tap on that and you can see my full overview, how we give you over $11,000 in free value just for getting started with us. Okay. If you made it to this point in the video, I truly do appreciate you. If you have any comments, do me a favor, put them down below. If you have any thoughts, I'll also leave my phone number right here at the top of this video. Send me a text message, ask me anything. And please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, get notified anytime I upload new content. You will be the first to know if you hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you. It's time to get started. It's time to activate your myEcon membership. So hit the link in the description down below or tap on that end card here at the end of this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.